The internet is a massive global bank of wealth, but the harsh reality is that 99% of people are using it the wrong way. Most treat the digital economy like a playground, scrolling through endless feeds, wasting their most valuable resource, time, and handing their hard-earned money over to tech giants. You have a choice. You can remain a consumer, or you can become an operator. If you are tired of playing small and are ready to stop chasing get-rich-quick fantasies, you need to start viewing your digital presence as a high-stakes business enterprise. It's time to stop scrolling and start building your empire. The foundation of this shift is the transition from labor-based income to asset-based wealth. Most individuals are trapped in a cycle of trading hours for wages, which provides zero scalability. True wealth generation begins with the creation of digital assets, products such as specialized software, proprietary knowledge databases, or high-value business tools. These are assets that, once built, operate independently of your physical presence. In the world of high-level finance, value is defined by the problems you solve. By identifying specific, high-cost friction points for business owners, such as inefficient banking workflows, data management, or compliance challenges, and providing a digital solution, you transform from a laborer into an architect of value. However, a digital product is only as powerful as the authority behind it. In the digital economy, trust is the primary currency. This is where the authority engine becomes critical. Establishing yourself as a subject matter expert is not merely a branding exercise, it is a strategic business decision. By leveraging consistent, high-value content, you build a reputation that acts as a moat, protecting your market position. Monetization in this context is not about deceptive marketing, but about providing a curated map for your audience. When you strategically use partnerships with reliable service providers, such as established banking institutions, insurance providers, or professional accounting software, you create an ecosystem of value that generates recurring revenue based on genuine utility. Perhaps the most significant differentiator between the amateur and the professional is financial literacy. Many online creators successfully generate revenue only to mismanage it due to a lack of institutional-grade rigor. Operating an online enterprise requires the same structural discipline as any brick-and-mortar corporation. This involves the maintenance of dedicated business bank accounts, the utilization of business-specific credit instruments to optimize cash flow, and a sophisticated approach to tax strategy and insurance. Without these pillars, an online project remains a vulnerable hobby. By formalizing your business structure and separating personal and professional finances, you gain access to the levers of the global finance system, such as leverage and credit, which are essential for scaling operations. Ultimately, the path to building a digital empire is rarely the rapid, effortless ascent promised by internet gurus. It is characterized by the disciplined, consistent application of boring but effective business principles. It requires the courage to move away from the lottery ticket mentality and toward the patient accumulation of assets and capital. The global economy is in a state of constant flux, and the digital landscape will only become more competitive. The winners will be those who treat their online activities as a professional enterprise, manage their money with precision, and cultivate deep banking and industry relationships. The infrastructure for your success is already online. All that remains is for you to stop listening to the noise, start making your own money speak, and build the future you deserve.